Well, new here at 5 o'clock, NASA's Mars helicopter Ingenuity is set for its first experimental flight this week. The drone-sized machine was originally set to fly Sunday, but was delayed because of data issues. But it could get its chance in Mars's atmosphere as soon as tomorrow. Now, we talked with the Mars Exploration Program Director over at NASA about the unique challenges they're now facing to get Ingenuity off the ground.
It's the environment on Mars that is really difficult. So the atmosphere itself is about 1% the density of the atmosphere on Earth. So really thin atmosphere. We do have one thing working in our favor, and that's that the gravity on Mars is about 1/3 of Earth. So we don't need quite as much lift in order to be able to get up as we would on Earth, but that atmosphere is really a challenge. And then a couple of other things is that at night it gets real cold on Mars, well below zero. And so we need to make sure we keep the system warm so that when day comes and we want to do a flight, everything is in good shape. And then the other thing is that we have to do it all autonomously because of the delay in communicating to Mars. So we have to send the signal. Hopefully it does what we ask it to do, and then we find out a few minutes later.
Hey, this first flight will be brief. We understand just 10 feet off the ground, hovering for about 30 seconds. But its success will tell us, again, a lot about Mars's atmosphere. It really is a historical event when you look at it, and that's why NASA has stored a piece of aeronautic history inside Ingenuity.
118 years ago, the Wright brothers had the first powered flight on Earth. Well, this is going to be the first powered flight somewhere other than Earth, so on another planet. What we have is a small piece of the fabric that was used on the wings of the original Wright flyer. So we're actually taking a piece of that history and bringing it with us to help reinforce that connection that we have to the legacy that the Wright brothers had started.
And that is something. Hey, you know, we should also note the Apollo 11 crew flew a different piece of the material along with a small splinter of wood from the Wright flyer to the moon and back during their iconic mission in 1969. Again, NASA says Ingenuity will take off no earlier than April 14th, and you can keep up with Ingenuity over at mars.nasa.gov and over on our website, WATE.com.